Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening, everyone. I think almost everyone has joined. Now we can start. So now, in the last class, we had done about electric current, right? And in the electric current chapter, so here we were doing the chapter electric current. That is your third chapter in physics. I think today is your chemistry class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just let me check out, then we can. Yeah, today is your chemistry class. So I think we should continue with chemistry. So in chemistry, we had started or we were doing the chapter acid, bases, and salts, right? So acid, bases, and salts. In this chapter, we had done about the chloralkali process. Okay, everyone remember about that chloralkali process?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
in the chloralkali process, we had obtained different products. We had obtained the product chlorine. We had obtained hydrogen, right? And we have obtained an alkali, that is sodium hydroxide, from the solution. Chlorine was obtained at the cathode, hydrogen was obtained at anode, and caustic soda it was obtained in the solution. So these were the chemicals which we obtained by the process of by the chloralkali process. And this topic was some important chemicals from common source. So as you
Sir,
can see, yes,
chlorine is obtained at anode, right, sir?
okay. Yeah, chlorine is obtained at anode. My bad. So chlorine is obtained at anode. That's the oxidation process. And hydrogen is obtained at cathode by the reduction process. Okay, so they are obtained like this: chlorine, hydrogen, and caustic soda. And we had seen further that hydrogen and chlorine can be used for the manufacture of HCl.
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen can be used for the manufacture of ammonia. And this ammonia can be used further for the manufacture of urea. Ammonia can be used for making urea, which is a fertilizer. So you see how the use of hydrogen is. Okay. Chlorine itself can be used as a disinfectant. Then sodium hydroxide, which is obtained over here as caustic soda, it has its different applications. Now, we'll be looking for some other chemicals which we manufacture using these or using some other things. We are going to manufacture some other chemicals. And one of them is washing soda. So here now we are going to discuss about washing soda. So washing soda. Washing soda, first of all, it is the common name. And as the name suggests, just from the name, can you give me some of its uses of washing soda? Yes, can anyone give me any use of washing soda?
Sir, it is used in soap industries.
It is used in
Soap industries.
soap industry.
Washing clothes.
Yeah, it can be used for washing purposes. Washing soda can be used for washing purposes, but not only washing purposes. It has different other applications. Okay. So washing soda, its chemical name is sodium carbonate.
There are washing soda and caustic soda same.
No, they are not same. Washing soda, its chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. So we had discussed about the water of crystallization. In your class 9th, you might have studied a little bit about the crystallization process. So here, washing soda, it contains some amount of water of crystallization. So washing soda is represented as, it is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate decahydrate. That's 10H2. Deca means 10, hydrate means molecules of water. So this is the chemical formula of washing soda, and its chemical name is, what is the chemical name of sodium carbonate decahydrate?
Na2CO3.
Dot 10H2O. That is the chemical formula. And what is its common name?
Sodium carbonate.
Sodium carbonate is the chemical name. Its common name is washing soda. See, when I say chemical formula, this is the chemical formula. This is chemical name, sodium carbonate decahydrate. This is chemical name, and this is the common name. Washing soda, that's the common name. Okay, the name is this one, and this is the formula. Then see, how do we manufacture or how do we obtain sodium carbonate decahydrate? So sodium carbonate decahydrate, it is obtained by Haber process. So manufacture of sodium carbonate, first of all, we try to manufacture baking soda, and from baking soda we obtain sodium carbonate, and then we perform crystallization. So we'll just discuss here the crystallization process. So see, you have sodium chloride, common salt, reacting with ammonia, NH3, and carbon dioxide, water. So these four substances, sodium chloride, ammonia, the formula of ammonia is NH3. So this is ammonia. You have sodium chloride, ammonia, carbon dioxide, and water. they all combine together. So you will obtain here sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 will be obtained. At the first step, we'll be obtaining here first NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate will be obtained, and we will obtain here ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. These are the two substances which will be obtained. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, or this is also called as baking soda. So sodium hydrogen carbonate is obtained, and this sodium hydrogen carbonate can be used further to obtain washing soda. So another name we came to know, baking soda. Baking soda is the common name. Can anyone tell the chemical name of baking soda?
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate. That is the chemical name of baking soda. And this process which we are doing, this process is called as Haber process. So by the Haber process, we are able to manufacture. By this Haber process, we are able to obtain baking soda. And now from baking soda, we will be obtaining sodium carbonate. So see, next, the first step I'm writing again over here. First step is we used NaCl, sodium chloride plus NH4Cl, sorry, NH3 ammonia plus carbon dioxide plus water molecule. So they combine to form ammonium chloride, NH4Cl and NaHCO3. NaHCO3. Yeah. So ammonium chloride, it remains in the solution, whereas sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is formed, it is sparingly soluble. So it can be easily filtered out from the solution. Once you obtain sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, now it can be heated further. If you heat this sodium hydrogen carbonate, you will obtain sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. So in this process, you obtain your sodium carbonate. Now this sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, can undergo crystallization process with 10 molecules of water to form Na2CO3 dot 10H2O, which is crystals. So this process is your crystallization process. Using the crystallization process, you obtain Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Got it, everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So just write down the reaction once in your notebook. All of you write down the reaction first. All the reactions are important. In the first process, we are obtaining here a compound which we call baking soda. In the second reaction, we are using this baking soda to obtain sodium carbonate, or this is also called soda ash. So we obtain here sodium carbonate, and by the crystallization of sodium carbonate, we obtain washing soda, which is Na2CO3. So finally, we are getting washing soda after writing down these three reactions. I think up to now, this is the biggest equation or biggest the chain of equations that you have studied. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So in this, okay, what is the beginning of your reaction? What are the substances that are required at the beginning of the reaction? What all substances are required at the beginning of the reaction?
NaC.
Yes, it is. Okay. So I think everyone has written in the first reaction, we are using sodium chloride, ammonia, carbon dioxide, and water to obtain ammonium chloride and baking soda. Then baking soda is heated to obtain sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide and water. So this reaction we'll be writing many number of times. Okay. A number of times we need to write down this reaction. We'll see it will come across. Now in this process, we are obtaining washing soda. So in washing soda, if you just heat a little bit washing soda, so the water of crystallization start disappearing, and you again start getting your sodium carbonate. Now this washing soda, it finds a number of applications. Let's see what are the uses of washing soda now. You told me just one of the uses of the washing soda. Okay, we'll discuss a number of uses for washing soda here. Okay, so washing soda uses. At the first point, I can say it can be used. It can be used for domestic cleaning. So at the home, whatever domestic cleaning is required, over there we can use washing soda. It can be used for cleaning utensils, it can be used for cleaning of clothes, all of them. So that is a domestic cleaning purposes, you can use washing soda. Okay. Then the second one, it is used to manufacture important industrial chemical, borax. So borax is an important industrial chemical which is manufactured by using washing soda. Another, washing soda, it is also used in the manufacture of glass and soaps.
Sir, can you please explain second point?
Second point, it is used in the manufacture of important industrial chemical borax. Borax is an industrial chemical which is used as a reagent in different other chemical processes. Okay, so like most of the chemical processes, we use borax to manufacture some other chemicals, right? So over there we use borax, and borax itself is manufactured with the help of washing soda. Got it? So that is the second step. Then third one is it is also used in the manufacture of glass and soaps. Also in paper, glass and paper industry, or also in soaps. For the manufacture of soaps. Okay. So these are different uses of washing soda. One more is there. It is used to remove permanent hardness of water. So it is used to remove permanent hardness of water. So what do you mean by permanent hardness of water? Okay, what do you mean by hard water? Have anyone heard about hard water and soft water?
Sir, it is related to something that brine solution.
Related to something?
Like brine solution, ma'am. Sir. Like
Or
salt solution.
OH ions?
See, hard water is a water which has a number of salts dissolved in it. The water which has a number of salts dissolved in it is called as hard water. For example, generally in the areas where there are a number of industries or chemical industries, the water over there, which we obtain from underground, it is very hard. That means it contains a number of dissolved salts in it, which make it unfit for use. It's not easy for you. It is not drinkable. You can't drink that. So it is used to remove permanent hardness of water. It is also used in the manufacture of glass and soap. And it is used to manufacture important industrial chemical borax. And your first one, it is used for domestic cleaning purposes. Okay. So these are the different uses of washing soda. And can you think of which chemical we started with for making washing soda?
Yeah.
Yes, anyone able to recall that which is the chemical with which we started for the manufacture of washing soda?
Sir, sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride. And what is the common name of sodium chloride?
Table salt or common salt.
Yeah, table salt and or common salt. And here we were doing some important chemicals from common salt. So again, washing soda you can also consider to be obtained from common salt. Ammonia is obtained from hydrogen, which is obtained from the chloralkali process. So see how important the chloralkali process is. Okay. We are obtaining all the chemicals from common salt only, and we are utilizing it to make more and more chemicals. Okay. The next chemical is baking soda. So just we have discussed a little bit about the baking soda. So manufacturing process of baking soda is the same as that of, it's similar to that of washing soda. Okay. So baking soda, let's see how it's manufactured. So in the manufacture of baking soda, it is again the same process as we have seen. The baking soda will be manufactured by the chemical sodium chloride plus ammonia plus carbon dioxide plus water. So all these four chemicals, they are combined or reacted together to form baking soda, NaHCO3 and ammonium chloride, obtain NH4Cl. So your NaHCO3 is the baking soda. Now, as is evident, you can tell some of the uses of baking soda from its name also. So what is the use of baking soda?
Used in cakes and like.
Okay, so it is used in manufacture of baking powder. Now see, baking soda and baking powder, they are different. It is used in manufacture of baking powder. So what we use in cakes is baking powder and not baking soda. Baking soda is the one which we are using as an ingredient of baking powder. So your baking powder, it contains a number of other reactants, reactants other than baking soda. We will discuss what other chemicals can be present over there. Got it? So baking soda, it is used in manufacture of baking powder. Okay. Let's see the other uses. Any other use can you think of?
Sir, antacid.
Yes, it can be used as an antacid. As if we discussed about the salts, so we had discussed that even salts can be acidic or basic in nature. Okay. So sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda, it is basic in nature.
Fire
Okay.
extinguishers.
Yes.
Fire extinguishers.
Yes. So being basic in nature, it can be used to cure acidity. Also, it can be used in fire extinguishers. Okay, so can you tell how can we use it in the fire extinguishers?
It releases carbon dioxide, which extinguishes fire. With
Okay.
acid, reaction with acid.
Yeah. Used to fire extinguishers. So it can be used in fire extinguishers. So in case of fire extinguisher, your baking soda is used. So baking soda reacts with an acid to release carbon dioxide gas. As you can see here, it releases carbon dioxide gas. Okay, it releases carbon dioxide gas. So we can use baking soda to obtain carbon dioxide gas. So if you have baking soda NaHCO3 reacting with any acid, let's say you react with H2SO4 or sulfuric acid, you'll get sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus water and carbon dioxide. So as we know that carbon dioxide extinguishes fire, so this carbon dioxide which is produced in this reaction can be used to extinguish fire. Now, how it works in the baking industry? Can anyone think of how does it work in the baking industry?
Sir, to make the cake fluffy.
Okay, it is used to make the cake fluffy. And how does it make the cake fluffy?
Sir, because of the carbon dioxide, the cake becomes fluffy.
See, if sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda, when it's heated, if you heat baking soda, so you will obtain Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, water molecule, and carbon dioxide. So while heating, if you heat sodium hydrogen carbonate, you are getting carbon dioxide gas. Now, if you, while preparing the batter, if in the batter you added, if your batter contains baking soda and if you heat it, if you heat that, so don't you think that carbon dioxide gas will be produced? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here carbon dioxide gas will be produced, and this carbon dioxide gas, so this is your batter, and this carbon dioxide gas, when it tries to move up, it tries to out of it. So in this process, when it comes out, it creates some pores or holes in it. Okay. So the holes or pores which are created in this, they make the cake spongy. Got it? So today we have completed two important chemicals, washing soda and baking soda. Okay. Let's try to rewrite the manufacturing of washing soda. Okay, I am waiting. If you can rewrite the manufacturing of baking soda without looking at your notes. So can you write down the manufacture of baking soda? Yes, all of you try to write down the manufacturing of baking soda. Just hold on for 1 minute. Okay, so how many of you have written down the reaction for the manufacture of washing soda? See, you need to write down all the reactions. Okay, Arav has written. Anyone else who has written down the reaction?
So should we send it to your chat?
No, I will be just checking out through your camera. Okay, anyone else who has done?
Can you want to do this, please?
Okay, so let me start with. Okay, who has done? Please turn on your camera and show it through the camera.
Wait, sir.
Okay, Sumukh, I'll be showing you the before page. Don't worry. First, let me check out the work that has been done. Yeah, no one is ready with the equations.
Sir, for
Okay,
washing
check.
soda or baking soda?
Yes,
Sir, for baking
Uh,
soda or washing soda?
for washing soda, you need to write down the reaction for washing soda. Okay. See, if you need to make the washing soda, of course, you need to make the baking soda first. First, you'll be making baking soda, then only you can make washing soda.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Uriya Ishaq, Shayan Sharif, is there anyone who has completed? Rijwana?
Completed, sir.
Okay. So can you show your work?
Sir, we just have to write the equations, right?
Yes, you just have to write the equation and show.
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Because
Sir, I
that is what.
completed.
Okay,
Sir,
Kashmir. Yes, yes. Whoever has done, start showing, please. Okay. Okay, so this one he did, got it. Okay, you can turn on. Rijwana, okay. Rijwana, where are you? I think Kashmir. Okay, just 1 minute. Just let me check one further. Okay, so Rijwana, it's sodium chloride, NHCO3, ammonium chloride. Yeah, Rijwana, balance the second reaction. Okay, your second reaction is unbalanced. Balance that reaction. Got
okay,
it?
sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
Daniel?
can I show it?
Yeah.
1 minute, sir.
Sodium chloride, ammonium. Okay. Write over the crystallization process before the last one.
Okay, sir.
On the arrow, write down crystallization.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else who has done pranaya?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you done?
Yes, sir, I'm showing that.
Yes, right.
I don't know if it's clear.
Right. Okay, no, just take it a little bit back. I think your camera blur is on. That's why it might not.
Actually, just a second.
Okay, Abhinav, no issues if your camera is not working. Okay, so I think you can check it out here. A few of you have shown the reactions. Okay, just see, here is the reaction. These reactions are very important. First reaction, second reaction, and your third reaction. So first and second, they are quite important. Your first one, it gives the manufacture of baking soda. The second one, it gives the manufacture of sodium carbonate from baking soda. And the third one gives the manufacture of washing soda from sodium carbonate. Right? So even in your exam, suppose you forget about these reactions, you can just write down the last reaction for the manufacture of washing soda. And you can say that washing soda is manufactured by crystallization of sodium carbonate. When sodium carbonate crystallizes, then it forms washing soda. These 10 molecules of water which are there, they are called as water of crystallization. So the salts which may appear to you as dry, they are not actually dry. They contain some water of crystallization. Okay. Okay, so bye all of you. See you again in next class. Is there anyone having doubt?
Bye, sir.
Could you show me once?
No,
That's
sir.
it.
Okay.
I'm writing.
Okay, okay. No issues.
Thank you, sir.
So next page, sir.
So just these three reactions will be there. The same reactions. Okay.
Completed, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay, bye.
sir. Bye, sir.